Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can post from Google Sheets to Reddit. So the idea is quite simple. You have a Google Sheets table where you have a title, a body, and you also enter your subreddit. So where do you want this post to go? You could just fill those lines out, for example with ChatGPT. And if we then go into make.com, I'm just going to show you what the automation does. So let's check out the subreddit. This is the subreddit. As you can see now, the last post was 1 day ago. And if we now click on run once, we can see things happening. And if we open the subreddit and we refresh the subreddit, we see that 1 minute ago a new post was posted. YouTube videos about automations are cool, whatsoever. And as you see, we just posted this line, and the automation also entered the posted date and time. This is a special format, but you can also change the format into like the type of format you can read, and it also checks it as done. This is the automation. So how is the automation built? We have 3 modules. The first one is Google Sheets search rows. In this case, it's just going to search for a row. And the second part is Reddit submit a post. It takes the data from the Google Sheets, as you can see here. It takes the title and also the subreddit and also the body. And we also tell Reddit this is a text post because we only have text in this case in our Google Sheets table. And then in the end, it updates the row. As you can see here, it just adds a timestamp to post it and turns true the done column to true. So because this is a checkbox, and if it's not checked, it's false. If it's checked, it's true. And yeah, that's it. It's quite a simple automation, but it really can save you a lot of time because it automates the posting of posts from Google Sheets to Reddit. If you're interested in more automations like this and also in a more detailed workflow, how you actually can build this one on your own, check out our Patreon and down below. Thank you so much. Bye.